Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare groundnut soup the best way, and I'll be trying out my yam pounder for the first time, so I'm so excited about this video. So first things first, you want to blend the groundnut you'll be using, and then I also blended up some pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion and some crayfish. Just added a bit of water into the blender and blended this because I'll be using this also when preparing the groundnut soup. Groundnut soup is also called peanut soup. Next, I will just be cutting up some of the yam I want to use because today we are having groundnut soup and pounded yam. Yeah, like I said in the intro, I'm going to be trying out my yam pounder. So I just put this the boiled yam and then put some water, no salt guys, no salt, and then I said okay, let me start preparing my soup. So to some boiling goat meat, I'm going to add in some stockfish and some pomo. I've already cut this up, and then I'm going to be adding in enough water because basically this is the water I'll be using to cook the soup till the end. So I'm going to add in more dry fish or any other protein you have, but for me this is the protein I'm using. So I'm going to mix this up, cover it a bit, allow it to boil, and then I'm going to add in my mix. So this is basically the pepper, onion, crayfish mix. I'm adding in a bit of dry pepper for more heat, and then I'll season with some seasoning cubes and some salt. If it's your first time here fam, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell because I bet you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. I'll bring this to a boil, and it's been boiling for a while now. I'm going to come in with my grinded groundnut paste. I'm going to be adding this in. This is a very big pot of soup, and then I will just be giving this a really nice mix and allowing it to combine properly. At this point, you want to taste for salt or maggi, and then season properly to make sure it's up to taste. I'll give this another nice mix, cover it again. Once it's been boiling, I'm going to add in some bitter leaf and then some palm oil. Lastly, I'm just going to add in enough palm oil. That's what gives it that very beautiful color you see, and then I'll give it a really nice mix. And guys, just like that, groundnut soup is ready. Like, no stress, it can't be easier than this. This is just like a one pot soup, and then it's so fast to put together. So I'll allow this cook properly, and then I'll set it aside. Next, it's time for us to pound our yam. Yes, using the yam pounder. So this is our yam, it's cooked already, and then I will just start off by putting in my boiled yam in the yam pounder. Guys, this is my first time, so just pardon me. I might be going to and fro. I'm a bit confused, but I'm just trying to see how it goes. So firstly, I'm trying to see if this yam pounder can take everything at once. I wasn't too sure, so I decided to put in half first. So I'm just going to be covering it, following the instructions basically, and then lock it up so that the cover is firm, and then I'm going to start pounding, or whichever way. So pressing the button, and then a lot is happening down. You just press it down for a bit, then we'll open it up and see what we have. Guys, if you've been watching so far and you've been enjoying this video, come on, click on the like button and subscribe if you have not. You also want to turn on notification bell so whenever we upload videos, you'll be the first to know. So this is what it looks like now. At first, it was looking like blended yam, so I was like, okay, probably I should add a little water from the one left when I bought the yam. So I was like, okay, let me just add a bit of the hot water and blend, because if you are pounding and you pound for a while, you also add hot water. I was like, okay, probably I should do same and blend again, and then I did just that. I just put some water, and then I'm blending. Okay, not blending, like, why do I keep saying blending, or will I say processing? And then I put it back into the machine again, and I've done that for a while. So let's see what we have now. We'll be opening this up, so let's just open it up, and guys, this is it. At this point, it was looking very okay. Yeah, I think at this point I was like, yeah, I like what I see. Wow, this is not a bad idea at the end of the day. So I was like, okay, since there's still so much space left, let me just put the remaining yam, since there's not much again, and then just do everything together in one piece. At least now I know the quantity, I know what this can take. So next time if I'm doing like this kind of quantity, I'll just put everything in together. So I just added it up now, and I'm going over it one last time, and this is what we have. So this is our final result. And I think I like it at this point. The one mistake I made, which I must mention, is I think I overcooked my yams. So if you are trying to do this, you also want to be careful so you don't cook your yams too much. Probably I was cooking soup, so I just left the yam there cooking for too long, because at a point it felt like it was too soft, even though when it got cold it had it up a bit, but I felt like it was still soft, and I think it's because I left my yam boiling for too long. So I'm just going to serve this up, and guys, let me know, what do you think about this? Are you team yam pounder, or are you team natural normal way of pounding yam with your hands? Let me know. I'm so curious to get your feedback in the comment section. So like I always say, if you have not, make sure you subscribe. Let me know, is there any video you want to see next? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. This is us having lunch, so you can come and join us. Hopefully by the time you are seeing this video, the food is not yet finished. You can come and join us. Thank you so much, fam, for watching. We'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.